So one kitchen there, pantry. Bedroom here. Awesome. So I think that's the only bed, bath, no, there's another bathroom on this floor. So these are room number 2. This is primary. This is room number 3. This is the second bathroom that's in this floor. The tub and the shower's pretty cool. A walk-in closet. That'll work. One room there, one room there, bathroom there. We walk out. Living room area. It's a good place for a dining room table, so that's a lot of space there. Kitchen again. It's actually like the living room. Fireplace. Walk down. This is the landing zone area. This hallway corridor here. Another door. Sitting area. Fireplace. Very big room. I feel like this is where we'll probably put the second kitchen. And that opening there. Utilities for laundry room. So it's 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is bedroom number 4. Closet. This is the 3rd bathroom. And this is not really a bedroom. It does have a window, but it is being utilized as a bedroom as a closet. So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath down here. Room area. So we'll have to be another kitchen here. Here. Have a yard. There's a creek back here. Second entrance. Some space over there.